Hi, welcome back to Voice of Artist. Today we have with us Chahat. Chahat is from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and she creates beautiful doodles, mandalas. She loves to sketch, and her work is really inspiring. You should actually go check it out on Instagram, and she will share her Instagram handle with you herself. So let's hear more about her and her journey. So, how are you, Chahat?
So I'm fine. First of all, I would like to thank you. I value every idea for having me on board. I do this mandala artwork and doodle. So this is something which I discovered recently. Before that, I usually did this pencil drawing and sketching thing. But during this lockdown, I just started my page. Every artist should have their signature style. So this was something which I discovered during this process while I was trying all the mediums, acrylic painting, oil painting, sketching, and then I discovered that no, this is something mandala art and doodle is something which I'm like very good at. So I usually do mandala art, and medium I use is sometimes I go for watercolor also as a background for the background, and for mandala I use uh, micron pens and fine liners. So these are the medium which I use. And for the paper, for the art papers, I usually prefer some good texture paper, not the only the plain ones, but the papers which has something good texture in it. Usually the rough textures and with good GSM papers. Being artist is something naturally in my case because from childhood only I used to like it was my favorite hobby. In free time I usually just take my sketchbook and just start to paint, doodle and everything. But yeah, in class 11th and 12th, I took arts as my optional subject. After class 12, when I did my graduation. So at that time, my parents were like, "No, you have to do something like this from arts." It was my passion. I wanted to do something with that, but they said, "No, you have to go for management course or something." So from that time, since then, I had in my mind that no, I have to do something with that. I love doing painting and sketching. So yeah, I did graduation and my master's in management. But yeah, this lockdown has given me such a great opportunity to start my page.
That's great, Chahat. What do you do otherwise? Are you professionally working somewhere?
Yeah, and professionally, I did my grads in commerce. Then I did my master's course from NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology. From there, I did a master's of fashion management. So, as a, by profession, I'm working as a fashion merchandiser for Shoppers Stop. Yeah.
Now, we also saw, on your profile that you're from Banaras. I'm sure the city has a lot of inspiration. Do you take inspiration from the city? So rich
Yeah,
in
it has a lot of inspiration, be it you can call it culture or it's the spiritual capital of India, and be it culture or everything, art, everything has inspired me. Yeah, my city has inspired me a lot to do these things. And you can see wherever I go, I have been to Bangalore, I've been to Delhi, Mumbai, everywhere because of my course and everything. So wherever I went, I used to visit art galleries and all. So yeah, that was really
that was
very
always
inspiring.
in you. You always knew that you're going to pursue your
Yeah,
art side.
anything new is just like I want to explore it. I want to know what is behind that and everything. I'm so curious to know new things. This art thing is really part time for me because I have to do both my office work and then I have to manage this also. But in future, I know I'll get married and all, and most probably I won't be able to do my job thing. So I really want to convert this part time. art thing into full time, and I really want to open my art gallery, art studio. I really want to have, like, I have just started this page, so I really sometimes I think कि okay अभी मैं ऐसा क्या करूँ कि like followers हैं and all. I have to create something unique. So that is the thing, and really, in future, I want to convert this into full time. So I would also like to mention that artists who just started their page and who are very new to this all, so they copy their like, art from other artists. But I think that you should like keep thinking, boasting about your ideas, and then create something unique. So you can see that I usually don't do the basic mandala or traditional mandala art. I usually do something abstract. I really want to like combine both my uh, idea and then mandala and then create something very like a masterpiece. I really want to create something unique every day. I whenever I create my artwork. Talking about that one life-changing person is my best friend. She always used to poke me, ki, you should do. Why are you not doing? Why you're so good at it? Why are you not starting and just executing your plans? She also in this during this started her food page. So she was like, ki, you should do something. So she is the one who supported me, motivated me, and she's a yeah. I would say that she's the one person who just uh, give me that kick to start something new. So I'll just show you. Usually, I keep my all my artworks in a display file to protect it. I usually use ID sheets because these are easily available. I don't use scanners and all. So this is the one I created few days back. This piece, this mark, titled it Mark Ali Mandala Art. So this is very close to me because I got lot the many of them give me I get comments and all he very good you have done very good work and all, but this is the one piece for which I got feedback कि you should get it print on a t-shirt and I will definitely buy it 100%. She was she is my friend and she is like totally mad about it. Such a great work. So this is something which is very close to me. And talking about the process, uh, I did this watercolor in the background, and uh, the Makali portrait. I usually take these outline inspiration from Pinterest, and then the you can see the intricate designs and all. So this is something why I usually practice on daily basis. So when I create something like this, I get those ideas. It's not like yeah, I have decided beforehand that I will create this only. When I start creating, I get okay, I'll do this in like I'll draw lines, I'll do circles. So this is the process. I would like to suggest my fellow artists, uh, those one who are already doing very good and they are totally experienced. So for them, keep creating, keep supporting, and keep sharing. And for the ones who have just started, I would suggest that discover your own signature style. Once you'll discover that, it will become your USP. Then you can just like create you can keep that one thing in all your artwork.
And do you have some artworks that you'd like to show us right now? Do you have some pieces ready?
Yeah, so as I said, I keep my artwork in display file, the whole file. You
Wow.
can see this is Frida Kahlo artwork. I show you. So I said, no, see, I usually do something abstract. I don't usually go for the traditional one. So from these artworks, you can see that
Lovely. These are
it's
lovely.
not only the mandala, it's some combination of art, watercolor, pencil color, and pen art.
Wow.
These are some of my artworks.
And how much time does each one of these take, Chahat?
Usually, when I'm free, I usually take over 1 day to complete it. Like I take breaks and then continue. But it depends. Again, it depends on the design and art. Like this one, I completed this in 2 days. I have more intricate one. Let me show you. This is watercolor doodle. This one, you can see
Yes, this is
it took
amazing.
me 3 days to complete.
Wow. How do you get those ideas?
I usually like as I said, I scroll Pinterest and all and Instagram. From wherever I get those elements, like I think, yes, this is something which I can implement my artwork. So I just save it and then practice it and see how it looks. So then I execute it. I would say love what you love to do. Don't think कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. Just do what you love to do.
That's
Yeah.
very nice. लोग क्या कहेंगे में तो बहुत लोग उसी में रह जाते हैं कि मुझे अच्छा फीडबैक
हाँ.
मिलेगा कि नहीं, पता नहीं लोग अप्रिशिएट
Yeah,
करेंगे
that is
कि
it. At least just initiate, just execute what you think, just execute it. Then you will keep on improving. Practice is the thing that makes you perfect. So I would say do what you love to do, practice, improve, then compare. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yourself. I created this today. Now, tomorrow, I can do something more better than this. So that is the thing. Keep creating. Don't compare. Just compare yourself because I think taste is something which develops more than skills. So that should not be the like. You should develop your skills, not your taste.
Right, right,
Yeah.
right. No, that's lovely. That's a lovely piece of advice, Char. And I think even I'll actually try implementing the last part that you said. I think we should all focus on skill much more than
Yeah.
anything else. So thank you.
Yeah.
And
That.
thank you so much for joining us today, Char. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.